Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel and to week number 11 of Sandy's 13 Frights Before Halloween 2022. I'm so excited. We're on week 11. We only have a few weeks left until Halloween. I can't believe it's here already. This week I have created for you a spooky little fun wood tag mini album. This is made out of pre-made tags that I got at Target and use different papers from Country Craft Creations and some elements from my stash. It's a lot of fun. Super easy to make. You can do this in just probably about an hour. So anyway, stay tuned to take a closer look, and then stay tuned for the tutorial, and also be sure to check out all the other 13 Frights collab YouTube channels that are participating. Their links are down below. Click on more and check out the hashtag Sandy's 13, the number 13, Frights Before Halloween 2022. I'll put that across the screen. Check that out for other people who have created something for this collaboration here on YouTube. So let's get started. To create this little tag mini album for week number 11 of Sandy's 13 Frights Before Halloween 2022, I've done a little prep work ahead of time. Now these little wood tags are from Target. So my daughter picked these up for me at the first of the season when they were putting things out. I think she said they were in the section called the dollar spot. Of course, I don't think they cost $1, but anyway, you get a pack of these, and I've already opened them, forgot how many was in a pack, but she got me the ghost with the boo and the candy corn. Now, these came with the little candy corn, but I just took a tool and popped those off. I'm going to use those. I wanted this flat, okay? And the paper collection, I'm using scraps from Country Craft Creations that I had here on my work table, called Little Monsters. I love this paper collection, so you want to check that out at countrycraftcreations.com. You can get it in the 8x8 or the 12x12. I just happen to have the 12x12. I'm working on a design team project, and I had some scraps, and I thought I will use those because I think it's just fabulous paper. So anyway, I'm going to ink these papers, or the little ghost, the little tag things around the edges, with black soot. Let me get that off. What I did ahead of time is I took the paper and I placed each wood piece onto the paper, traced around with a white pen, then cut it out with my scissors because I want to cover the back sides. And then I'm going to glue these on. So I'm going to do this, speed it up. I've already cut everything out. I cut for the tag as well, so it would be like this. And then I cut 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 squares for this side. So that's like little photo mats. You could also put it on the other side if you want to. I haven't decided. And these I will either use somewhere or use them in another project. And then of course I'm going to decorate it all up. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the camera and glue things together and ink it. Okay, so once you have them inked, and if you have places like in the points in here where you can't ink really good, I just take a dark gray Copic marker. You could probably use a Sharpie marker or something, and I just go ahead and ink that inside. Maybe to the edges a little bit, especially here on the ghosts. You can see that you can't get down in there with that inker. So I use the pen or I like the Copic marker because the brush type. Pen makes it easier. You don't have to use it on the candy corn tags. But these right here, you might want to put a little extra in. And on the edges, if you like the darker edges on your tags. And then let those dry. Okay, so we have that ready. The next thing is take your Crocodile or hole punch. It's the small size. Now you need to see where the hole was on the tag and see here. Yeah. Line it up and just re-punch that hole. So do that on all of them because you want it to go through the paper. Okay, so this is a really quick and easy little Halloween project you could do. You could use any kind of shaped wood tags that you could find. Different places, Dollar Tree, Dollar General maybe. I haven't been there. You know, like the Target, the Dollar Spot, and things like that. So just look for what you can find. Now the next thing I'm going to do is glue these little patterned paper photo mats onto my tags. Now the next thing we're going to do is glue my little square patterned paper photo mats onto the candy corn tags to cover up where I pull the little candy corns off, because I did want a place for photos and I want it to be flat. Okay, so we're going to just glue these on about the same position. So, okay. We can put decorating up here at the top. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put these together into a little album, and then I will decorate. So we got this here. Now then, I want the ghost on the front, and then I want candy corn. And I'll probably put the one with the spider out. Then I'll do a ghost. A candy corn this away. Another ghost. Oops. First I wanted to put the one with the stripe on the front. Then a ghost here. Candy corn. And then I'm going to put a ghost with the stripe to the inside like this. So there'll be two ghosts, one on the front and one on the back. Like that. So that's how it's going to go together. Now then, you could just use metal rings if you wanted to. I have a love-hate relationship with metal rings, so I'm trying to decide if that's what I want to do, because these are wood and they are a little thicker. So it might be a good idea for me to use them here on this instead of trying to tie ribbon, and then I'll tie ribbons around the ring. So let me grab that and we'll get those done. So I got this bigger ring here and added it on. So it's about a 1.5 inch ring that I had. Like I said, rings are not my favorite, but I think with this thicker wood tags, it's going to work better. So I have some ribbons here, some assortment of ribbons. I'm going to start just tying on to kind of decorate this ring up once I've got everything on there. So go ahead and just pick out different ribbons you might have. I just tie them in a knot. Sometimes if it's satin ribbon, you might want to do a double knot so that it doesn't come off. Tying it up here. And take my ribbon scissors, and I'm just going to do a dovetail. I'll fold it in half and cut from the fold down. So that gives you that nice dovetail like that. And then this one I'm going to make about the same size. So again, you fold it in half, and then I'm cutting this opposite way. So I'm cutting from the outer edge to the fold at an angle. And we get that on there. Let's add some black. So I'm just going to keep tying this on and cutting my ribbons. So you go ahead, and if you're working along with me or whatever you're doing, just, go ahead and get your ribbons on. I'm going to come back with those on, and then I have here some buttons and different elements here I'm going to see about just gluing on and decorating. So I'll be back with all that after I get the ribbons on. So I've added all my ribbons to the ring. I've added some satin ribbon that says Happy Halloween, some sheer orange, just lots of ribbons from a stash, a bit of natural button twine, of course some of the black and orange baker's twine, some thin black satin ribbon, the orange and white polka dot. So just add as much ribbon as you like onto your ring to just kind of decorate that up. I think it looks really cute. Here I have glued some buttons on, so I've pulled out different orange and black buttons that I've got in my stash. I've pulled them out of here. Some other little elements, fussy cut from the paper scraps that I had, some elements I wanted to glue on this. So I'm going to go ahead, finish this up, and I'll share the end result here at the end after I get it finished. So I'm ready to finish this up, and this has been a really quick project for this 13 Frights Before Halloween, for Sandy's 13 Frights Before Halloween. Do check out all the other hashtags, the channels that are participating. I have put their links down below where you click on more under my video, so check them all out. It's been a lot of fun. Most of them add their projects on Mondays every week. Some are a little behind because of work and other commitments, but hopefully they will be able to get all 13 projects for their channel. So do check them all out. Leave them a comment, subscribe to their channel, and give them a like, thumbs up, as well as here on my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and keep working on this off camera, and then of course I'll show you this at the end, and probably a little slideshow or something as well have show you at the beginning so that you know what we're doing this week. So thank you so much for watching. Check back next week. I can't believe it. Next week will be week number 12. Yes, week number 12. We're almost to Halloween. It's been a lot of fun. Have a lot of fun projects. Have not cleared up my stash. I've actually added to my stash. I bet you have too. That's okay. We've always got next year. and we can keep doing some Halloween projects throughout the year. I love Halloween, and I know you do too. So thanks so much for following me and the other collab channels that are doing their Halloween projects. It's been a lot of fun, and after today, we have 2 more weeks to go before Halloween. Thanks, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.